Weaving was a very integral part of everyday life prior to contact. Baskets were weaved to harvest berries and clams. We used it for clothing as protection. It was used for regalia. And there were different types of hats used in the community. They're all different styles and would have different designs or no designs on them. My grandmother quite often says that she wasn't taught. We've lost so much. My practicing weaving, or any Indigenous person practicing weaving, it means that we're still winning. Our traditions are living. I think that's why it's important to carry it on. We'd like to invite any of the guests staying at Tin Wis Resort or at Tla-o-qui-aht Resort to participate in the cedar weaving workshops. We'll have cedar bark prepared and stripped, and we'll just go over the process of weaving a cedar rose. I believe that Tin Wis and Tla-o-qui-aht are places of learning for our guests, experiencing firsthand Tla-o-qui-aht territory. I think it's unique, beautiful. There's a lot of history here. Having our guests be able to just even engage in something like a workshop will give them something to take home that's more a tangible memory.